Inserting a list as an argument or a parameter into a function. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'll show you how to send a collection of data types as an argument or parameter into functions. You can send any data types as arguments or parameters into functions, like string of text, numbers, booleans, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and more. Now we are gonna move on to send a list of items as an argument to a function in action. So let's get started. Here at first we just created a function using the def keyword, and it is called fruits. And the fruits function argument is called name, and its position is in between the parentheses of the function called fruits. After that, we have created a simple for loop, and the I variable here represents each item in the list, which we will create from the first item to the last item. And using the print function is to print this variable called I, which represents the first item in the list, then the second item, to the end of the list, or any collection of data, which you will pass to this function. After that, let's create a list to pass it as an argument for the fruits function. In this case, as you can see here, we have created a list of 3 items or elements with strings data type, and this list is called fruit names. The first item in the list is called apple, the second item is called banana, and the third item or the last item in this list is called watermelon. It is a string data type also. And after that, we called the fruits function. Also, we use the fruit names list as a value for the name argument, and this list will move to the inside of the function called fruits, and then continue inside the for loop in the local scope of the fruits function. And the for loop plays its rule, which is creating a loop based on this list, and it displays the items of the list one by one. So the program gave us this output. We got apple, then banana, then watermelon. That's it, simply. That's all for this lesson. Try to do this by yourself. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.